Presentation on pollution due to urbanization. Presenter Biski from class 8 section Pheva from Gorkha Secondary School Tulsipur. Introduction to pollution. Pollution has been a long-standing problem in our world for a few decades now. It is something that poses harm to the environment and also to us humans as a result of that. Pollution refers to when there are contaminants that pose harm to environment, and there are four types of it. They are air pollution. It refers to the harmful and toxic fumes in the air produced by vehicles, factories, smoking, etc. Water pollution. It refers to the contamination of water bodies by toxic substances, plastics, oil spills, etc. Soil or land pollution. It refers to the wastage we leave on the land and also toxic substances that seep into the soil fertility. Noise pollution. It refers to unwanted and unpleasant noises. These all types of pollution are incredibly detrimental to the planet. This is the picture related to air pollution. This is the picture related to water pollution. This is the picture showing land pollution. And at last, this is the picture related to noise pollution. Urbanization. Urbanization refers to the concept of rural towns and villages developing into urbanized towns and cities. Urban localities are characterized by having good infrastructure and prevalence of industry, both of which are almost undoubtedly linked to each other. A lot of venture capitalists and multinational corporations select smaller rural towns to start manufacturing businesses because the factors of production most often come cheaper there. This means that rent is low, labor cost less, etc. It makes a convenient place to open up good manufacturing factories there, but urbanization has demerits more than merits. This is the picture related to urbanization. Some merits of urbanization. When a factory opens in a rural area, it paves the way for the people living in and around the area to avoid employment there. Since there will be many raw materials trucks coming in and good trucks leaving from the factory site, there is a requirement for paved roads. More and more facilities and infrastructure come up around the lands surrounding the factory, resulting in the development of the area. This process is called urbanization. Some merits of urbanization. It is important to know about so you can understand how pollution due to urbanization takes place. Where there is a factory, while a lot of infrastructure and development follows it, there is also a lot of waste produced there. Many factories may not follow the correct procedure for the disposal of waste, which can be dangerous as factory waste can sometimes be toxic. This waste seeps into the neighboring soils close by water bodies and poisonous fumes from the factories into the air. Aside from these forms of pollution, factories can also be noisy due to machine used inside. Thus it causes all four types of pollution. In this way, industries produce air, water, noise, and soil or land pollution due to urbanization. Pollution due to urbanization. While pollution on its own is a pressing problem for our world, pollution due to urbanization is a huge problem. Adding to that, it is becoming a bigger and bigger problem as urbanization is taking over the smallest. Yes, development is something to applaud, but not when it goes to the extent of causing harm to or destroying the environment. Thank you all. This much for today from my side. Stay home, stay safe.